That's... I'm pretty sure that's the oncoming lane there.
Whoa! Did you see that?
Yes, I saw that.
Escalated way too fast.
He didn't reverse his decision, did he?
No, I'd left by then, but it would have been interesting to be a fly on the wall for the rest of that conversation.
Yeah. Andrew, you should have counted.
Turn left on 34 Avenue Northwest.
Hey, you watch it, okay?
Turn left on 34 Avenue Northwest.
And yeah, that really got you far, didn't it? More intersection blockers. Thanks a lot, people. This is a clusterfuck. Nice stop, Ontario. Really? Wow, you're impatient.
Superstars feeling like a pop star. I've been popping, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they always be smoking like a rock star. When we call up on no you show up in them the shot top.
You really don't pay attention, do you?
When my homies pull up on your block, they make that thing go grata-ta-ta.
This person's just completely blocking the right lane. Okay then.
Infinity luxury vehicles might look like they were designed to sit on display. But one moment behind the wheel and you'll realize...
You probably should have just gone through that light.
Until March 31st, lease a QX67 passenger luxury SC your Infinity retailer to find out just how much fun it is to get behind the wheel. Infinity, empower the drive.
Now, a crash in Mars.
Now, wow.
I already popped this in before we cover some stuff here. This is for Shelley in Lewis Estates, wanting Morgan featuring Lock Moon and Home.
I love this song.
Yeah.
I think this song's so cool.
Oh.
In 100 meters, turn left on 23 Avenue Northwest.
It literally says panhandling not permitted, like right next to you, but you're doing it anyways.
You're far out, bud.
Yeah, he is.
That's going in for sure.
Well, now he's just kind of shoving his way in.
Oh, we gotta get this.
Oh, and he's getting in the way of that oncoming person.
Oh, we gotta get that. That was so stupid what he did there.
Just totally shoved his... This person, too.
Oh, we cut off that car.
Yes, he did. Like, you gotta look, man. Even if there's room. Is this person parked there? Are you allowed to be parked there?
No. That's not good.
Roads around here are terrible. Oh, nice stop there. You have no lights on. I think that could be considered running a red light in front of me. I'm pretty sure that's the oncoming lane there.
Whoa! Did you see that?
Yes, I saw that.
That was a really bad cutoff. That was close.
Oh. Jesus Christ. I would say that's already though.
Yeah.
I'm like, you can get this out of blast. That's actually the worst someone's changed lanes close to me in a while.
Someone else honked him.
Oh, that person has no lights on either. Looks busy around here.
Nice parking.
Nice signal.
He's gonna hit that car. Look how close he is to hitting that.
Holy shit, that's really bad.
That's good footage.
You have a yield sign, so I would recommend stopping if I were you.
Sweetie. Oh!
Oh my god.
Okay.
She's ignoring me.
Yep.
She didn't even look. Sidewalks are overrated from you two. I'm going to be getting something like every 10 seconds now. Oh, what's going on here? These guys are just stopped in the road. Stopped in the road.
Oh, he's got his four-ways on.
Oh, that makes it okay though, right? Oh, you're freaking annoying, man. That's a playground area. You're clearly going way more than 30 back there. God, you're not even allowed to be parked there, taxi. Can you keep to your side? I'm not sure what you're doing there.
Turn right on 50 Avenue.
I guess you're not turning off there? You have a free flow lane there, so I don't know why you're stopped. I still don't get why people think it's a good idea to walk along the highway. Oh! Damn.
That's a good footage one.
Come back.